even though we argue all the time.
Not
but
all the time.
But we argue like
Yesterday
okay.
night.
What is up, Discord? It's your baby, and I'm back on another video. So if it's your first time coming across this channel, don't forget to hit the button down below. So what is up, Discord? It's your baby, and I'm back on another video. If it's your first time coming across this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss out on anything whenever we post. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You rock my world. Yo, you guys are so wonderful. So in today's video, I'm here with my lollipop. Yeah, you guys know Leona. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, okay, and sticking with your girl. I really appreciate it. So the love I got from my previous video, it was so overwhelming, guys. Like, you guys rock my world. You guys are the best. And yeah, we are here to teach you guys, tell you guys how we have a perfect relationship and how you can also have a perfect relationship.
Yeah. Yes.
Actually, guys, let me tell you guys, there's no such thing as perfect relationship. Like, there's no such thing as perfect relationship, okay? No relationship is perfect. Not even the married people now. Like, these two people here, we are two imperfect people trying to make a perfect relationship. Right. Even though we argue all the time.
Not all the time.
But we argue like,
yesterday
night. Okay, like we argue all the time. When I mean all the time, not like we are cats and dogs here, but we have our own misunderstanding here and there and all disagreements. Of course, we come from different backgrounds and those things are bound to happen. So yeah, so we are just here to give you some advice on how to make your relationship work, the do's and the don'ts, and yeah, and the challenges we face as people being in a long distance relationship. So starting from you, Leonard, how do you make this relationship work?
Okay, so I decided to, accept her for who she is, because I figured you don't change people just like that. You have to accept them for the things they like to do, and the likes. So I made that decision, and ever since it became really juicy. Before we argue about little things, so yeah. And someone taught me something, and the person goes like, when your partner is trying to throw tantrums and necessary shenanigans, just walk close to her, carry her up, spin her like 7 times and drop her, then our factory say will come back, and you guys can move on, because when at the point of dropping her, her head is turning and everything. Then at that process, she can now actually calm down and rethink. So you guys can do that. It works. It really works.
Yo, you have never spin me around 7 times.
I was about to do one day, and she ran away because I already told her about it long enough.
Okay, so yeah, the first one is to accept people for who they really are, because you can't try to change people, okay? People can only try to adjust some things about themselves to suit their partner, but you can't change them completely, okay? So if you try to change somebody completely, there are two things. It's either the person will be pretending or the person wants something from you. Once the person gets what they want from you, and that is it, the person goes. Or if the person is pretending, nobody can pretend for too long, so when they are tired of pretending, the relationship crashes. So for my own side, I would say we have learned to have healthy arguments, okay? Even when we argue, we don't argue like we want to tear each other apart. Argue to let each other know, okay, I don't like this thing and you don't like this thing, so next time don't do this and don't do that. We do not bring third parties into our relationship. We always try to sort out we always try to sort out our differences by ourselves. Yeah, so that is how we make it work. Well, 1, accept people for who they really are. Number 2, have healthy argument, because they are bound to happen. You can't escape it.
Yeah, you really can't.
Yeah. So how else do you make this work?
Second of all, oh my god, this girl is stubborn.
Hey.
Yo, she is stubborn. Forget all this one is all B-squad. She's stubborn, but then again, love is a process. It doesn't just come at once, You take your time to build, get to know the person and everything. So I took my time. I got to know her. I didn't, to be honest with you, I didn't even think we'd be here by now. It's been 3 years and counting.
Yeah.
I never thought, never assumed that we were going to get to this point. But one way or the other, okay, let me be honest with you guys. So, letting your guard down sometimes, you know, just to fit in, because you can't always be right as the guy or as the girl. So you guys should just meet halfway, basically.
Yeah.
Come.
So that is what we always do. We always try to meet halfway. Okay. We always try to compromise. Sometimes when I don't think I'm wrong, he doesn't also think he's wrong. Okay. So that leaves us in a fix. But being concerned about our relationship and the future of our relationship, we always have to come in compromise to the situation and always find ways to just settle it. So another thing is, we don't let our arguments exceed 24 hours. That is it. We don't sleep mad at each other. 24 hours might not be enough for you to get over whatever has happened, process everything. No, I'm not saying, don't mind my nails. I'm not saying that it's not going to happen, or sometimes 24 hours will be enough for you. But we just try as much as we could not sleep mad at each other. Sometimes we do sleep mad at each other, but we always wake up in the morning and we just resolve everything. Like today, we had a fight yesterday. And like, it's the tiniest things, like the little things that matter. Being the person he is, he doesn't get angry easily. So the things you expect him not to get angry with, those are the things like he gets angry with. So you ask yourself, like, where is this coming from? So in times like that, I just have to, you know, let down my ego and just apologize, or just be soft enough to accept his own apology. Yeah, so that's how we also make it work. Another thing is, we try to pray about everything. Like when we discuss something or we want to take a decision, a step, we always try to discuss about it, and most times we pray about it together. So some of the challenges we face as long distance relation, I don't know if we should do the video now, like the challenges we face, or we just, okay, well, we have, when we first met, we were in a long unofficial relationship. Okay, right. So we met and got into a relationship, and we went on another long distance relationship. Being people in a long distance relationship, one thing that kept us going till today is communication. We always try to communicate. No matter how I'm feeling, I try to talk to him, sometimes as my friend and as my brother, and not my boyfriend. Okay, I try to tell him, okay, I'm telling you this, don't judge me, don't get mad at me because I am your girlfriend. See that your younger sister is trying to talk to you. Likewise, him too. Okay, so we always try to talk to each other as friends, as brothers, as sisters, and always try to communicate our feelings, how we are feeling. Sometimes I don't want to talk to anyone. I want to be all by myself. In times like that, I just tell him, okay, and yeah, we just give each other the space, healthy space, not too much space. So that's how we make it work. So we have privacy, even though we are in a relationship, we share almost everything, we still have our own privacy. I don't go through his phone. Likewise, he doesn't go through my phone, unless he wants something from my phone, or I want a particular thing from his phone. Do you go through my phone?
No, but I have her password, and she also has
yes, mine. I do have his password, and he does have my password. And I have his password in case I need to pay for something, you know, so I can use his I can use his bank app quickly. Okay, so he has my password, because sometimes I might feel lazy to do a particular thing. I can just tell him, please help me do this, or help me do that. And what if he doesn't have my password? That would be too much time to waste. Okay, so we have each other's password. Even as we have each other's password, we try to respect each other's privacy. I have never gone through his chat, and he has never gone through my chat. I don't go through, I just don't stalk him. Okay, yeah, we have our privacy.
Sometimes when you go digging, you find something.
Yeah, so you actually find something.
Peace of mind,
just let it go, and we learn to trust each other. So that is basically how we make it work. I trust him with my life. I trust him. I trust him. I trust he's never going to cheat on me. He also trusts that I'm never going to cheat on him. So that is it. We don't care. We trust each other. That's what matters, right?
Right.
Yeah. So that is how we make our relationship work, and that is how we fight to have a perfect relationship, because there is no such thing as a perfect relationship. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let us know if you want to see more videos like this, and if you want to see Leo more on this channel. Of course, you guys always want to see Leo more on this channel. You guys want to see Leo more on this channel, though, you know, I'm still considering if I'll keep bringing him on, or if I'm just going to Yeah, so you guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and mwah! This your weapon is somehow.